You've tuned into The Mountain Gardener with your host, Ken Lain. Gardening, it can be challenging, but with these simple insider tips, you'll reap huge rewards. Now, let's tune into today's Mountain Gardener with Ken and Lisa. So I am an artist, basically. Yes, I run a small business, but I love plants. The reason I love plants is not for the living, breathing thing they are, but how they react to and enhance your environment, how you can blend the different textures and colors and heights and fragrances together. It's truly all five senses brought together and heightened your senses. And if a great garden is done well, it draws you in, you lose track of time, you just start taking interest in the little things in life. Your cell phone kind of disappears. The birds start to sing sweeter songs. The radio even plays better songs, all because of a great garden. That's what great design can do for you. You should be able to sit in your backyard and kind of go, I just love living here. That's what great landscapes and that environment. It's not the sofa. It's the vista. It's the shade. It's the hummingbird feeder. It's an experiential thing. It's much more than just that. And so part of this artistry is I like the podcast, the radio show, the writing a garden column, the photos that go with that. I'm a photographer. I like taking the pictures, and I like creating ads. It's basic graphic designers. You graphic designers out there, you know what that's about. It's this beautiful imagery, the depth, the colors, which fonts, the colors, how it flows. When done poorly, you kind of go, oh, you cringe. You go, oh, that is so 1990s. And when it's done well, you're going, cool, that's pretty neat. I got to look at that again as you scroll through. And so I create stickers each month. Bear with me. Hold on. Don't tune out yet. Hold on. So we've got these different sticker drops. So once a month, I'm creating this. What I find is I've got magnets and stickers. The older folks love magnets. I don't know why the difference. And the younger folks love the stickers. I'm going to try to convert this into, if you're a travel guru, this is now I'm seeing stickers on like luggage. Instead of putting that cheesy piece of satin tie on your handle of your carry-on, put a sticker. You got a travel Globetrotter sticker on your Waters Garden sticker. The newest one I played with basically holographic. It's got this depth or 3D thing to it. Of course, garden-esque. Yes, it has our logo on it. It's not the primary thing. It's about the flowers, but it's coming from us. It is a branding thing, but it's getting a following. So this week, the September sticker dropped. Please come and get one. Every customer that buys anything can have one free. Normally we charge $5, but anyway, so that's kind of a fun new thing. And I like doing that because it takes me an hour to create one. You're doing it computer wise. It's this image you have in your head. You try to put it down in sticker form. And it just comes out, and the team goes, oh, boss, this is the greatest thing ever. Oh my gosh. And you're starting to see them on people on the staff on their bumpers. That means, oh, that's good. That one worked. Another one are garden classes. Every weekend we have a garden class. This week it's the tough 8 and how to plant them, how to grow them. So the toughest of the tough. Next week, the privacy screens and the secret garden. And then stunning container garden, September. And then we keep going through October, of course. So those are all available. They're free. They're at 9:30 on Saturdays here at Waters Garden Center. Come hang out with some other really cool people called gardeners. They're very fun, interesting, engaging people with great questions. And hopefully you'll take a few garden tips away with you that just kind of go, yeah, that was good. It was entertaining and I got something out of it. That's what it's meant to be here at Waters Garden Center. You can take a look at those at watersgardencenter.com. Until next week, Lisa and I camp out here at Waters Garden Center. Waters Garden companion plants for September are Raywood ash, Russian sage, pampas grass, and gold flame honeysuckle.
Gold flame honeysuckle is the perfect vine to cover a trellis, arbor, or a fence.
Also works well when pruned to form a dense shrub.
Purple to deep pink flowers open to sweetly fragrant golden yellow flowers throughout summer and fall.
deer and javelina proof and oh so easy to grow.
Shop the most fragrant vines in-store or online at watersgardencenter.com.
For a more fruitful garden, increase success in the landscape that just feels better, then tune in daily to the Mountain Gardener podcast. Subscribe through your favorite podcast streamer or visit watersgardencenter.com. Better yet, visit me directly right here at Waters Garden Center. Thanks for tuning in.